Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best melt in your mouth stovetop candied yams ever. This candied yams has just the right amount of sugar. The maple syrup and pumpkin spice takes it to another level. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Start by peeling the yams. You can use whatever variety you can get your hands on. Next, we are going to cut them into circles about ½ inch thick. Then we're gonna wash them and pat them dry with paper towels. I'm using about 4 large yams. This is gonna serve about 8 to 10 people. These yams are actually easier to make, guys, because they are less cooking steps. Next, we are going to place the cut yams in a large saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons of water. This will help to prevent it from sticking in the bottom. We're gonna also add in brown sugar, a pinch of salt, not a lot, guys, just 1/8 teaspoon. We're gonna also add maple syrup. Some recipes call for vanilla extract. I like mine with maple syrup flavor. We're gonna throw in some butter as well as pumpkin spice. Then we're gonna cover and let it cook for 5 minutes on medium heat just to melt the butter. Then we're gonna give it a good stir to mix everything. Do not add extra water. We're gonna let this steam through for 18 to 20 minutes on medium-low heat. Cover with the lid and cook until fork tender. Once the yams are fork tender, turn off the heat and transfer them to a serving dish. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please subscribe and share it with your friends and your family. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. There you have it, guys, stovetop candied yams. Know that with a dish so classic as candied yams, there are so many ways to make it. If you have a favorite way to make candied yams, please let us know about it in the comments down below. For the exact measurements and ingredients for this recipe, check down below the video in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Share it with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.